Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here and today we're going to unbox the Turtle Beach Recon 50P gaming headsets. So let's begin this unboxing video. So here is the box of the gaming headset. Here we got the brand Turtle Beach. The model is Recon 50P and it is a wide gaming headphones, and if you see on the lower left side it says PS5 and PS4, so it's mainly targeting your console gamers and not your PC gamers, but this can be connected with your PC as well. Anyways, here you have your picture of your headsets on the side, and here on the back we got some of its specification. High quality 40mm speakers, we got lightweight and comfortable design, so it has a removable microphone which is really cool, and here you have your volume control in which you're going to have a mic on off switch and your volume up and down key, so nothing more. And here on the lower side we got its compatibility as well. If you can read, PS5, PS4 Pro, PS4 3.5mm, also works great with Xbox One, PC, Nintendo Switch, mobile, all of these accessories which has 3.5mm jack capability. So here we got two seals, so let's just open them. That might should do the trick. Here we go, and one on the here this side as well. Sorry. Anyways, let's just open the box. Here we have it. So first of all, we're going to have our removable microphone with this packaging, so putting that aside, here we're going to have our actual gaming headsets, but unfortunately it's not getting out. Anyways, on the back you're going to have your user manual, I think so. Attention, Turtle Beach can help, and yep, it's a quick start guide. So I don't know why you need a quick start guide, but anyways they include this one with these gaming headsets as well. So really hard to pull, but anyways here are our headphones. So really bad packaging, like it was really hard to pull, and I thought I might break the headphones or headsets themselves. Anyways, here we have our headsets, and here we have its cable as well. So we're going to just untie the cable from here. Here we go, and let's just put that aside. And here we have our actual headsets themselves. So they are really lightweight, I would say that. And we got our 40mm speaker, we got the blue color, and here we have the Turtle Beach logo. So they are not RGB, just to be clear. And here we can increase the size as well, as you can see. So yep, let me just open the wire. Here we go. So we got a pretty good length of a cable, as you're going to connect it with your PlayStation or Xbox controller. So good length of a cable. Here you have the port to attach your detachable microphone which comes with these headphones. So let me connect them as well. Here we go. So all you need to do is to put them in here like that, and that's it. And yes, you can do so. So overall build quality, it's made of plastic, like no metal use, so that's why it's really lightweight. We got these cushions as well. You can rotate them so that it fits best in your ear. We got a cable. It's not the best quality cable, like it is flexible but it is not braided, so whenever you need to connect it, you can just simply connect it to your controller. Here I have a PS4 controller. You can connect to the 3.5mm jack, and the audio will come to these headphones, and you can use the microphone as well. So if you're buying it for your gaming console, then it is a cheap alternative as compared to Sony's original gaming headphones, which are quite expensive. These ones cost around $25, so they are relatively cheap as compared to the Sony's or Xbox original gaming headsets. And here on the control knob, I should tell you, here we got our volume up down roller, and here we have a microphone on and off slider as well, so you can just turn off the microphone from here instead of detaching it every time. So I'm not currently have my PlayStation in this studio, so I'm just going to connect it with my phone to give you an audio demo of these headphones. so I have heard this music. So these headphones aren't very bad as compared to their price range. Their bass is okay and overall is okay. The only downside I found with these headphones is that their extension is small. Like when you're going to wear these headphones, this place is going to actually, I would say, bother your head, so they should make it more cushiony, or this extension should be a little bit more. This is the only downside that I found with these particular gaming headsets. Overall build quality and their lightweightness and the sound quality is okay as their price is concerned. So guys, this was the unboxing video of the Turtle Beach Recon 50p gaming headset. Hope you guys like this unboxing video. If you like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and thank you for watching. Stay safe.